Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the antutu benchmark test results between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi 11X device. As you can see, friends, so both phones, they are using the different kind of processors. The one in the Realme X7 Pro, which has got the Dimensity 1000 Plus processor, and the one in the Mi 11X has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So I've been using this Mi 11X, which is also called as a Poco F3 as well, for the past 1 month of usage. So it's been very good experience using this mobile phone, friends. The Poco F3 and the Mi 11X, they both have the same kind of naming mechanism, so you should not be confused with that. So Mi 11X and the Poco F3 both are having same specifications and everything. It's gonna be same. So right now let me try to demonstrate you which antutu benchmark test results is the best and how much difference will it be there between both the phones, because the pricing is very close to each other. So that's why it's very good to know before buying the device, is it worth to spend on this Poco F3, which is also called as Mi 11X, or not. So let's see, friends, in this video. And in case if you want to download this live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links in description for more details as well. So let me try to quickly open the antutu benchmark test results, so you might be able to compare the results for yourself. So first, let me try to open the antutu benchmark application in both the phones. So let's see, friends, which phone will be having the better antutu benchmark test results. So as I said, I'm using this Realme X7 Pro for the past, I think, close to 3 to 4 months. So it's been very long usage with this Realme X7 Pro with the Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset, and the Mi 11X has scored about 6,86,000, as you can see, friends. So there is a huge difference. Sometimes the difference can be close to 2 lakhs difference. So for this kind of difference, I would highly recommend you to spend your time and invest some money in this Mi 11X, because it has got very good processor, friends. That is the reason. That is what all you need for the 30,000. If you're trying to spend, minimum you need to use for the next maybe 3 to 4 years of usage. So the phone should be able to support in terms of the hardware wise for the next few years. So in that case, I would highly suggest you to go for the Mi 11X device, because in terms of the processor, it has got very good improvement in terms of the speed and everything. You can clearly see the difference. And the Snapdragon processors, usually they do get very good updates from the gaming side as well. So there is the most advantage of having the Snapdragon 870 chipset, friends, so which is also LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS 3.1. so the Mi 11X will be having LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS 3.1. So whereas this Realme will be having LPDDR4 RAM and UFS 2.1, so which is very outdated, and definitely, friends, I would not recommend you to buy. But these are quick comparison in case if you are curious to know which antutu benchmark test results is the best and how much difference can it be there. So overall, even right now I'm using the old version, but still if you install even the new version, you might be seeing maybe 10,000 more or less. So overall, as a round figure, you can calculate as 1,70,000 difference between both the smartphones. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and 1,70,000 similar kind of difference you can expect, 1,50,000 like that. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video, friends, and thank you for watching. Bye.